Usually with square grid patterns, you have some rotationally symmetric twists, and they're usually fourfold rotationally symmetric. Now I came across this different style of twist that is twofold rotationally symmetric on the front side, but is not rotationally symmetric at all on the back, and I used it to make this herringbone pattern in the fall of 2019. So today I'm going to teach you how to make that twist, which can be combined with traditional twists in many different ways, or used by itself in a variety of different arrangements. So we're going to start with a 8-fold grid, and we're going to select one line that runs all the way through and two lines that split off from the main line one grid spacing apart. Next, I will show the rotational direction of this twist, where the red lines are mountain and the blue are valley, and draw those on, and we will start to fold. So we do this directly without any additional pre-creasing. We take the mountain folds and the valley folds and bring them all into alignment. And you can see it doesn't really want to go. So what there is here is a closed back square twist waiting on the inside, and you might need to use a bone folder to get this angle precise. And so you do the closed back square twist with one flap above. Next, you open it up and squash this triangle and flatten the entire twist. And you get the nice slit on the back with the 4 pieces coming out, like you saw in these previous tessellations. So that's how you do the hybrid closed open back square twist. And message me if you have any questions or comments, and I'd love to see what patterns y'all make with it.